Which is more energy efficient, your normal washer dryer combo or your standard or your all-in-one? Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some wonderful information today. Today we're talking about the all-in-one units versus the individual washer and dryer. The biggest difference is your washers are basically the same, nothing changes there. The biggest change is in your dryer. This is a traditional dryer element which runs on 220 and it needs a 220 plug. Your all-in-ones basically have a 110 that actually does the heater and the washer. The all-in-ones are a more efficient way of washing and drying. The biggest difference is a washer and dryer will take roughly an hour to an hour and a half to wash and dry a set. You're talking in an all-in-one, you're talking roughly start to finish anywhere from 2 to 3 hours, depending on how much the changes you make to the settings. They are more efficient. They are, for lack of a better way to do it, better to use. They just take a little more time, but they will do what you want to. And the nice thing about the all-in-ones is they only work on 110 versus the 220. So it's something to think about when you're actually buying a new appliance. Don't forget to subscribe and like this YouTube channel and come back some more for some wonderful information.